Hi there, and welcome to our exciting series, Speaking English Beginner. I'm Brooke, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this journey of mastering English. In this series, we'll cover everything from basic greetings to everyday conversations. And by the end, you'll be speaking English with confidence.
In this 10-part series, we'll explore essential phrases and tips for effective communication in English. Here's what we'll cover. Basic greetings and introductions. Asking for and giving directions. Ordering food and drinks. Language for shopping. Talking about weather. Making small talk. Expressing likes and dislikes. Making plans and appointments. Handling emergencies. Travel terminology.
Let's get started with Lesson 1, Basic Greetings and Introductions. First impressions matter, and knowing how to greet and introduce yourself is the perfect way to start any conversation. So let's dive in. Let's begin with some simple greetings. These are the building blocks of any conversation.
Good morning.
Next, let's learn how to introduce yourself. It's easy. Just say, "My name is David." Replace David with your name. Or, "I am Michelle." Replace Michelle with your name.
My name is Derek.
I am Nicole.
Now you try it. "My name is," followed by your name. Great job. Now let's learn how to ask for someone's name. You can say, "What's your name?"
What's your name?
Repeat after me. "What's your name?" Wow, that's awesome. When someone tells you their name, you can respond with "Nice to meet you" or "Pleased to meet you." It's polite and makes a great impression.
Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you.
Practice with me. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Let's put it all together with a practice dialogue. Imagine you're meeting someone new.
Hello, I'm Baraka. What's your name?
My name is Christine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great job. Keep practicing these phrases and soon you'll be a pro at greeting and introducing yourself in English. That's it for Lesson 1. Remember, this is just the beginning of our 10-part series, Speaking English Beginner. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to ask for and give directions. Don't miss it. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Stay tuned for Lesson 2, Asking for and giving directions. Thanks for watching and happy learning. See you next time.